y'all.
Welcome back to part two, and I'm gonna be fidget trading this.
Okay, so I will put. Hang on, I'll get my stuff because I don't want to take up too much time. Okay, I got my stuff. So she loves this one, so I'm gonna save this for that. I don't know if she'll accept. You want me to add like a little thing?
Could you like add like this ring?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, accept.
Yay, guys! Look how much squares I have.
This one's so good.
I got so much squares now.
Now I have like 4 circles.
She has like 3 circles.
Well, 5 because my jumbo, but like my jumbo's not up for.
I have 6 counting my jumbo.
Okay, we'll see you guys with our next trading.
She's trading this glow in the dark hexagon poppet. So guys, I picked this one for that. Do you want this? For that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See you for our next trade.
Come back for part 3. Peace.